pizza?
All right, fantastic, guys. All right, good to have you all here. So, holiday, next week, Christmas. You guys have a plans? Right? No?
Taste.
Shopping?
On the spot plan.
On the spot plan. Huh? Awesome. So good to have you all here on a Friday night. Very excited to have you. And Arunan, Sindhuja, welcome. Okay. And Vaishali, and I know Vaishali. Neeraj and Vaishali, absolutely. Welcome to the team. Fantastic. Awesome. Good to have you all here. I mean, good to see all. I know a few people are missing, but very excited to have you guys. Very good hosting. Looks like they are doing a pro, right?
First time.
Amazing. First time hosting.
From dress, right?
Yeah. Oh, like, what is that? Red. Is it a Christmas season or? It's like red. Like a flashy couple. That's nice. Very good. I mean, that's all. Like when you come up on stage, did you learn something? You fear of speaking, and it's gone already, right? You could be able to talk to people. Used to be like a one person, talking to one person is like, oh man, I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's like a crowd fund, right? It's the best place to build your confidence. Awesome. Everybody did a fantastic job. Krishna and Sailesh. Wow, right. Can you just talk about products? Really? Good job. That's awesome. Sailesh is always like a silent, silent bomb. He just explode, that from the place. Wow. But very proud of you guys, congratulations, Shushma. Really? Calling from India, talking about CD? I don't know what you're doing here, Like a Saturday morning? I mean, who else are there actually? Is it
Anand Bhavani.
Anand Bhavani from Florida? Really? Hi. Man, what's the time right now? 12 o'clock already.
Yeah.
Srikanth and Pushami, Buffalo, New York.
Srikanth and Pushami from Buffalo, New York. They are there? Awesome. Wow. Swati from Columbus, Ohio? Or Dayton, Ohio? Amit and from Chicago. Saujanya from Sacramento. Man, who else is not there? Wow, what a pace meeting. Do you see that it is the nature of the business? It's a global business. You can be plugging in anywhere, anytime, and be part of the system.
But if you're locally here, come here.
Yeah. Yeah. If they're there, like probably this 1 hour.
Yeah, you won't have pizza, you won't have cakes, this.
Free facials.
Awesome. Fantastic. Yeah. Good job, guys. I'm very proud of you guys for being here on a Friday night. Okay. I wanted to talk few things. Okay. And I'm not really sure you have the time to listen. Okay.
We have
But you have it. I don't want to just I know there are some new people. Even I'm hungry. Okay. But I mean, help me welcome Bhavani. Some very excited.
Yes, when Raj sometimes thoughts are out of place, he's like, let me invite my. Awesome. By the way, Raj, we need to finish. I know we talked about Sailesh and Krishna doing an awesome presentation on the men's health, and then Ravi, amazing. Your personal testimony, you're like unstoppable with the products, right? Amazing testimony. More than anything, we learn from the personal testimonies.
Yeah. More than that, I like that attitude towards how you handle that. That's awesome.
Amazing. And very proud of you guys, both them. You and Shushma, awesome. And who else we had? I know there was Pranati. Yeah, Pranati. She sent me a text from Sridevi. Like, I won't talk about GoFundMe. Sridevi, you want to talk? Yeah, I prepared very good. I'm like, okay. No, just she came over for a sleepover. I know Sudhakar and Sridevi are blessing other teams. You know, they are at different pace meetings, and whenever they are here, we are totally blessed to have them here. So whenever they are here, just make sure you get every single minute of their time, right? So they have multiple pace meetings all over. In the city itself, in the same zip code, they have 3 pace meetings, you know. So, all over I think here like 4 or 5 different pace meetings. So, so make sure whenever they are here, we take their time, every single moment, get their knowledge and which can help us to grow faster, right? So, definitely blessed to be part of them. And what else? I know we had amazing BSM and books, and also amazing training by Nikhil and Heta, right? Their training is done. We are like, Raj, do we need to talk? I think he did a good job in covering, the basic topic. But amazing, Nikhil and Heta. We can't wait to see you guys talking on the board. It's gonna be an amazing, excitement, right? Totally different tone. Anybody can understand and everybody gets excited by listening to them. And they are that one couple, who have always, have that, contacting, they have mastered that one, right? If we have seen anywhere, retailing.
So I show.
Oh yes, I forgot that one. He showed you how to do it.
Nikhil,
You
don't
give
let
me
me-
the I am the example.
Example, okay. Most of us, we contacted Kiran and Sudhira in a grocery
Little
store.
India.
Little India, yes, Little India. And after they contacted, then we know. I mean, they were talking, and we kind of, Sudhira, she used to be my roommate in masters, right? And even Nadeem, right? Nadeem and Romina, Starbucks, Where else? What do you do? What do they do? Okay, what do you? Are you
I said
dating?
hello to Nadeem. He looked at me as if like, who are you? I wish, like, man, I'm gone already. I disturbed him when he was working. Are you from India? He looked at me, like,
No.
He got 2 no strikes, right?
Yeah. And of course, one international business, Australia or wherever, right? It's a person that we met in the parking lot. In the parking lot, we were just parking. Raj was just parking the car, and he saw somebody walking. Was like, "Are you new here?" That's all. Yeah, I have a business too, and that's how it got started. Sometimes little thin thread, right? It's very very thin thread. We never know. Sometimes we feel like, okay, if we are contacting that person as if, we are giving it something, right? No. You can see how many people one person can influence so many different people, right? So, it's definitely, we are at the best of the best business. And I know with the interest of time, we're going to cut short on the little bit of training, but what I wanted to personally talk is, when we first saw the business or when we first heard about the business, right? A lot of people before they come into the business, they have a lot of misconceptions about the business. Misconception or a different thought process about business. First is, it's all about selling products door to door, right? That's what we hear most commonly, right? What's the other thing? Oh, you have to talk to people, the people that you don't know, and you have to embarrass yourself, or it's like a lot of things. And then there are a lot of misconceptions that come into this business. But the people who are little smarter, they think, oh, it's a business which has been there for over 50 years, and it's running over 10 or 11 billion dollar business in so many different countries, and so many people are making money. There must be something in it, right? And that's when lot of us, I know most of you have, before even you join, you have these notions. But once we joined the business, we completely understood the full impact of the business, right? So, when I'm an engineer by profession, right? So when I looked at it too, it's like, but I work in the semiconductor field, so I'm working for a okay company. And why do I need this business, or why do we need this business, right? But one thing we understood is in my professional career, this is what I do a comparison with what we have and thank you, Raj, what the business offers to us. Let's say in a job, right? Of course, we work hard. We do 4 years of training plus 2 years of something, and we start off with some income in our professional life, right? In our business, yes, you're starting at a zero level, right? Because you're building it little by little. And every year, your income goes down, and again it starts. It will be like, maybe it will go up a little bit, but it's not like a drastic. It's like a linear income. You can almost say it's a linear income. Sometimes, depending on how the stock market goes, you might will take a price cut, right? What is it? Salary cut or something, right? So this is my professional income, and do I have the flexibility to, let's say if I decide a couple of years I don't want to work, I just want to take it easy, do I have the flexibility for that? No, I don't have it. Why? Because we are all used to one level of, what do you call? Yes, lifestyle, right? And but with this business, we started off somewhere here, right? Somewhere here, and we grow little by little. When you look at your paycheck versus the Amway bonus, you're like, is this really working, right? That's sometimes we doubt it. But that's the power of, if you guys know the story of penny, power of a penny, right? Which would you take? Would you take $100,000 at the end of the month, or you take a penny a day which doubles every single day? Which one will you take? Right? Penny a day. Why? Because it's the power of exponential. You keep building, and so it will go up. Maybe it will go a little bit down. It will go up a little bit down. It will go up a little bit down. But it will come to a stage that no matter whether you are actively building the business or not, your income keeps growing up. Just an example, right? Our Australia business. Yes, we did. We worked hard in the initial stages of the business when we getting started. Same like this kite training or whatever we did. But after a while, it became an automated business. Sometimes we don't even know how many silvers are there. Somebody sends a message and we're like, oh yeah, congratulations, right? So I can have that in my professional job. If I want to take, even if I want to take it easy for a few months, I can do it, right? So that's why even now, and this is something that we can even give it to our generations, the next generation and the next generation. My degree or our income, we cannot give it to the kids. But with this business, you can even give it to the future generation. And I've never seen that in any other businesses or even in the profession. So that's the reason it keeps us motivated to build this business. And I know a lot of you have can vouch for it. What the perceptions you had before and what is the perceptions you have now, right, after joining the business. So again, this is the best of the best business, and welcome you guys. Welcome to the family here. And with that, I'm done. Back to Raj. By the way, today is our son's first birthday, 1 year birthday. We didn't tell anybody because we don't want people to come only for for the birthday. But we just have some pizza and some cake once we are done. With that, back to you.
Awesome, All right. Do you have 5 minutes?
Sure.
But I need you guys to be quiet. Okay? Because otherwise I cannot talk. That's how me. Okay? If I want to focus on and deliver a message, I cannot. Okay? But how about a joke? Is that okay? There are 2 different types of wives. First type, quiet, beautiful, understanding, not argumentative, loving, one who listens to husband. The second type, your own wife. awesome.
You're awesome, Raj.
So, yes. See, yeah, thank you, Bhavani, and thank you, everybody. Mahalakshmi is laughing. Okay. See, yes, if I can make it very short, okay? If at all, if I can give you a little bit of my thought process or share few things from my heart. I don't have any, of course I wrote down something, but I just want to share it with you. We are totally excited internally about the business. We're truly excited. Okay, why we say that? And I never seen any opportunity that is available on the planet which give you benefits like what this business has. Okay, you all know my background. And some of you don't know, I had a retail business, stock market, day trading, whatever. I tried all the stuff. Came to this business. Okay, but and wherever we are now and where we are going in life is absolutely exciting. If you are new or about to be new or just getting started in the business, you are in the process of building the business. Probably you may have going through some beliefs. Like, oh, can I really build it, or is that really gonna work for you? Okay, and is it gonna help you to succeed in life? And I can tell you, just few things, okay? So, if you build a business, I can tell you, you will become successful in all walks of life, okay? Tell me, what are the important things in life for you? What is the important things in life? Number one.
Money.
Health.
Money.
Health, okay? Okay, what is the important? Second
Money,
important?
Money.
Lot of money.
Honeys.
Family. Family, what else? Peace of mind. Basically what? Emotional health. Emotional health. Time, right? Okay, what else? Important things in life. What makes you happy? New people.
Jewelry.
Paisha.
Shopping.
Shopping. Shopping? Shopping makes you peaceful?
Yeah. Yes.
You might be peaceful. Neeraj will be like peaceful.
Gone for shopping, the house is peaceful.
Transfer the stress.
Okay, shopping. This is the first time I ever heard shopping.
Yeah.
What else? What else? Vacation. Travel. Right?
Sleep.
Sleep. Sleep when you're tired of sleeping, correct?
Kids.
When you're tired of
Kids make us happy.
awake, right?
Yeah.
No more time
Kids.
sheets, Raj. No time sheets make me happy.
Yeah, basically have a lot of time, yes.
No, time sheets.
No time sheets. No
work.
work hours. It's good. Okay, you have a lot of time. Do you think, spirituality? Somebody said that, right? Spiritual, right? Is it important in your life?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Kids are important in your life? Family is important? Right? Okay. So let's say this is what is important. Is there anything else? Everybody is very important, right? Let me tell you, see, what is the benefit when you're building the business? You are going to have a lot of time, you're going to have a lot of money, and you're going to have a security. Okay? This is a combination you can get, correct? Okay? So that means what? You're going to have personal freedom, correct? Yes? No?
Yes.
Right. So personal freedom, right? So that means what? Personal freedom in the sense you are being less stress free, right? So think about it. Okay, so can you guys see here?
Yeah.
Let's say this is what you, right? Right? This is you. Okay, you have a organization that you are building. Yes, sir? Right? You're building this, right? See, this is how you do it to have this financial freedom. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Right? Just cooperate with me.
Yes.
Yes, yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
See, think about it, okay? In order for you to business happen like this, ongoing income, having the financial freedom, so what do you need to do here? Right? Do you think, you know what? Let's say if you're husband and wife, that means you need to learn how to work with the husband and wife. Is it true or not?
Yes.
Yes.
If you don't know how to work with your wife, how are you going to have a bigger team? Right? That means we have a BWW is there to teach you how to work with you or how to work with husband and wife, so that what's happening here? Your family relationship getting better? The CDs somebody was talking about and the books somebody is talking about, you know, is it going to help you to have a good life?
Yes.
Yeah.
Personally, you becoming better
Yes.
in person? So your family relationship is become better, right?
Yep.
See, I'll show you. This is what it is. I was just talking to Arun. Okay, did I show you guys before? This one, what Abhiraj happened? You know, Abhiraj is my son, Rod. He's 7 years old. Okay, he talked about. We never taught him, you know, how, what, doesn't matter. He just saw us talk about it, building the business. He talked about few money rules. Okay? Never be poor. Help people.
Nice.
Okay? Don't lose money until you take the full money. I know. Keep going. Okay? Win for any sport. Make more money. Make money every day. Make a difference in people's life. See, 7-year-old, think about it. See, is that not impacting your children? You think, you know, the right thought process going in their children? Do you think, you know, the kids' life became better? Right? Because you are doing one thing, building the business, you see how you are impacting people. Is it nice? Okay. So building the business, do you think, you know what, we are taking a good quality products. These are organic products. Right? See, these are, they talk about wonderful. 300 or whatever, 300, 400 Nutrilite products. You are putting an importance for your health. Do you think your health become better? See, what good if you have all the time, all the money in life, but you don't have health to enjoy that money and time? What good if the money and time you have, but you don't have a health, right? See, just building the business and focusing on the right thing, your health has become better. Your family has become better. Your money situation has become better.
Yeah.
Right? See, you look at people, how people are doing. They are 23, 24-year-old. They are almost making around 150 to 200K per year. And they are traveling all around the world. Financially free, travel, health, money, family, because the you know, emotional health, you know, a lot of times, you know what, people have everything, but they have that attitude of, like, you know, one day is up, one day is down, one day is up, one day is down. What if you could have like a good emotional health, right? People have a simple, there are some people have thyroid issues, right? Anyway, I don't want to go into that. But the thing is, emotional health is very important. How you can have the right attitude, okay? So, time, you can have all the time in your life to enjoy the money, okay? And shopping, of course, you can do a lot of shopping, right? So think about it, just spiritual, you know, of course, you know, like family, sleep. See, just doing one thing, you have an all-rounder success in the business. You know, think about it. Let's say, you know what, you know, my upline always says, you know what, just because of you helping this person, Okay, this person is helping this person. What you're doing? That means you're doing a noble cause. If I help you to become financially successful, do you be happy? You think about it, me all day long,
Yeah.
right?
Right.
See, I thank God for Sudhakar. He's not my relative. I thank God that Sudhakar came into our life, that man, he showed us an opportunity to help us to become platinum in the business. Okay? Think about this. I thank God for him. That means our relationship between is become better. And also, am I doing something good for the community? That means I'm really helping somebody. Just because of me doing the business, there are so many people positively impacted. Truly, I don't want to brag about ourselves, because we started in the business, there are about 7-8 platinums today, including US and Canada. Canada and Australia, there are 7 people who are making $60,000 in our business.
Wow.
Is it be nice if you are doing something noble? Absolutely. Think about it. Travel. I heard from Kumar and Anjali. They have a brother and sister building the business. Their family building the business. When they come to Achievers, when they go to India Achievers, everybody has a family. They just go to Paris. They are in Paris right now. All their family goes to, Australia Achievers somewhere in Melbourne or something. Just as a family. See, think about it. You have a lot of money, lot of time, everything you have. Okay? But you don't have any people to enjoy with. What good if that wealth you have? What if you have people to enjoy, the people who love you, like you, the family to enjoy with? Right? That's what it is, just like a dream for me. You know what? I want to have my family part of my business so that we can go travel around the world. Most people are doing what? Their job 8 to 5, 9 to 5. Right? Why not? So just to doing one thing, think about it. I'm taking you to the next level. You know what? You are from India and this person from Pakistan. Right? Do you think, Kumar always says, he is helping you build the business, do you think, we are doing something for the, people, you can be a noble peace, doing something, right? Do you think, he's going to shoot somebody if he's there online? And this guy sponsoring somebody, a Muslim or Christian or whatever. What are we doing here? They're building a one nation. That doesn't matter, people don't have any difference in life. This is the business. You can see people, Israeli sponsoring people, like people from Somalia, Somalian people sponsoring somewhere, all kinds of people and building it together. Think about it. Right? It's a true win and win philosophy to all other people. Not only that, see, from the day one, what attracted to me in the business is because number one is a tax benefits. I'm telling you, if you understand this business tax benefits, I can tell you, from the day one you are saving money. Do you think you can save around $3,000 to $5,000 in your business, in your taxes? Is that okay? Just I'm gonna give it to you next month. So I'm gonna give it to you at the end of the year. Would that be nice?
Yeah.
$3,000 to $5,000. You don't need to do anything. You just do something simple. I'll give it to you. Is this something nice? It is already available, right? So that means what? Let's say $3,000 divided by 12. That means somewhere around $200 to $300 you are saving every single month. Even the dollar store products become expensive for you.
Yeah, absolutely.
That's what I'm talking about. See, it's, that's what I'm saying. You are getting the quality products, you are saving money, you are doing something for your community, something for your life. You think about it. Man, what else you do want? That's what I'm talking about. The day people understand the business, they cannot say no to you. Cannot say no to this business. That's what is excites us business today. Just to go, Double Diamond Raj and Sangeeta always says, just go Q12 Platinum. Just go Q12 Platinum. Just go Q12 Platinum. I'm not talking about Emerald, I'm not talking about Diamond. Just go Q12 Platinum. Your retirement is taken care of. Retirement is taken. I'm telling you, worst case, you are $40,000 per year income. Think about it. Most of the people from India here. I know he's from Africa. You know, we have some people from here. But the thing is, $40,000 is it good in your country too? Is it good in your country too? Is it good in your country too? Per year, $2,000 to $3,000. How much money is in India?
24 lakhs. Nearly 2 lakhs.
Nearly 2 lakhs. Is it good money right now? As you can make good money in India.
Definitely.
Do you know that just going Q12 Platinum, you know what? You can be retired in your life. Retire. I can tell you. What if you can make 100,000 now? You can retire here too.
Yeah.
It takes few hours and few hour commitment, and with the team, you're not going to do by yourself. Always says, you're not by yourself. You're building the business. You are in your own business, but you're not building the business. You are building the business for yourself, not
By
yourself. That's what it is. You have a team to help you. So I'm telling you, I would highly recommend, get to know. If you want to know more about the business, your whole goal is not about Amway. Amway is very good in supplying the products and services. But you need to know, or you need to learn how you want to know more about BWW. If you understand more about BWW, you cannot sleep, I can tell you. That's where, look at the people, Raj and Sangeeta. Sangeeta is like about what? Does she look like, she has a mother of 3 kids, and the kids are like, 21, 22-year-old. She looked like 18. Why? It's because the money you make, time and money, financial freedom, you are less stressful. You become younger and younger, right? So I'm very excited, guys. I mean, if you want me to talk about this business all day long, okay? But very excited to have you. I don't want to keep you too long, but thank you, guys. We have a pizza, okay? And Bhavani, anything you want to say, Bhavani? All right. So yeah, Bhavani is there. All right. We have Rohan's birthday, so thank you guys for coming, and it's going to be, we have a pizza order. I know there are some people who are non-vegetarian. We have some vegetarian, so we mixed everything, okay? We have a cheese pizza also for our kids, but enjoy, but very excited to have you. Next week, okay, we'll think about, I know next week we have a holiday, right? Christmas, right? So we'll talk about when you guys want to have a face meeting? Or?
Yeah.
There are some people are crazy, They want to have a face meeting. Let's talk about. Okay. So yeah, this is a place, man. This is a family. What are you gonna do? And rather than going outside and you can get together and have some fun. Why not? Right? Awesome, guys. Thank you. And